Good day everyone, it's me Christian. Today we'll be learning how to graph using SageMath into your personal laptops or computer. First thing you need to do is go to your Chrome and make sure that you have your personal Google account, then search SageMath. After searching for SageMath, click the Sage Cell server. Then you're going to enter a code. Since you are going to graph using the SageMath, we need a code for the graph. And we are going to use this code for the parabola. For the first code, you need to enter the hashtag sign. Plots a parabola from x is equal to -5 to x is equal to 5. Wherein the second code is f of x is equal to x squared. And the third code is plot the quantity f of x where x, -5, and 5. After entering this code, you're going to click the evaluate. Okay? Upon evaluating the given code, it is being automatically generated using the system. The parabola is open upward and the vertex is 0. Let's try using this code where the first code is ABC is equal to 1, -3, and 2. And let's enter f of x is equal to a times x squared plus bx plus c. Then for the third code, let's enter plot the quantity f of x where x, -2, and 5. Then you're going to enter the color is equal to red and the title general parabola. Then let's going to click to evaluate. As you notice on the screen, the parabola is open upward wherein it is extend on first quadrant towards the second quadrant. And that's how to use the SageMath in graphing. And I hope everybody learned something new in this video. Once again, I am Christian. Thank you and mabuhay.